so loud.
Either.
I've got your trail.
Alright.
What is that guy trail?
Oh, okay.
That ult is stupid.
Oh, Jesus, are you kidding me? Okay.
I hit Sage
it's
once.
just birds again.
No shield on Sage.
Was she bottom or top?
I was top.
Oh, the birds, Jesus. Watch her flank from.
Oh,
from
Jill was there.
Okay.
Oh.
Did I help? hJune, you
Can I get a heal?
dinked her.
Smoking A.
Oh, God.
Ah! The bird lady!
She's close on the right. Okay. Oh, Jesus, I
Oh,
just
they're
got lucky
making
with
it
a spray
easy
there.
for
Jet hit once.
Come plant.
Did we get her? Oh, Jesus.
Jet hit once
Oh,
again.
God.
I got the bomb.
Brim on A.
Okay, send that out.
I'm coming, Jody. I'm coming with a bomb. Hold
He's
the line.
134.
Oh, God. What do we do?
He's up top.
One
Oh, what the?
remaining.
Huh?
Other guy's 50.
Okay,
You're not planting for heaven, so Sykkuno won't be able to view the bomb.
that's okay.
That's okay. I got
Let's
it.
go!
What? You just killed him. Oh, nice, John.
Okay.
Whew.
You're crazy, dude.
Okay.
You're so crazy.
That could have gone slightly worse. Sanda, thanks for the sub.
I'm just like
Ooh.
getting like mentally
another gun.
attacked.
Mentally attacked.
Yeah, it's not even in the game. I'm just getting like, my mental is boom. Whenever I see those birds.
Oh, yeah, same. Those birds. They send me to
Damn
another
birds.
dimension.